वेलकम टू वेज क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसली, सावूत आनी भलायकीन. सो आयज जी हांव तुमकां दाखयता दॅट इज नोन एज सरसों का साग. नाव सरसों इज दिस मस्टर्ड लीव्स. So I'm going to make a curry. It's like a chutney or curry you can say. But saag means always it is a curry to eat with rice or chapati. So for that we need 2 bunches of sarso, that is mustard leaf. Now these are homegrown. So it is 2 bunches of mustard green and 1 bunch of that is palak, that is spinach leaves. Then we need some of Bathua leaves, few Bathua leaves. Then I am going to take some greens of Malabar spinach, that is green, and some of red Malabar spinach. And Bathua is few leaves. If you have grown up in market also you will get. So Bathua, so few of that. Then what else we need is some Makki ka Atta, that is our corn flour, not the corn flour, but this is maize flour you can say. So I am going to add 1 tablespoon of that. Then with ginger garlic paste. Then for tadka we need onions, 4 more of garlics, and 2 dry Kashmiri red chilli. So these are the things what will go in our Sarson Ka Saag. So what we have to do, wash this thoroughly nicely and we'll chop this, and we have to cook this in pressure cooker or normal way, and then we have to mash it. Now I'm not going to chop this, so I will use a pressure cooker and cook this for 2 whistles. All the leaves in this, all greens. If you don't have certain greens and if you have other greens you can, but traditionally or authentic way these are the 3 greens what they use. Then we add our ginger garlic paste, 1 and 2 tablespoon, and we will add our Makki, 1 tablespoon. So Makki ka Atta, and salt to taste. Little bit of water, very little. Mix this all. Let it get cooked. Then we will mix this all nicely. So yum. So 1 cup of water is enough for this, and now we'll give around 3 whistles. 3 whistles. Till then we'll cut our onions finely chopped and garlic also. 1 city, so like this only another 2 cities, so total 3 cities. Second one, I will put it on. So now you take a masher and then you can mash this nicely. You can use a mixer, but then this has to be very cool. It has to become cold, then only you can do. But masher if you have, then do it in the masher. Now we have to, I didn't add green chili in this, but now I will add. So I'm adding this because I don't want it to get cooked, but now I will mash it. But you can cook this along with that. So mash this nicely. Okay, so it's nicely mashed. Nicely. So now I've taken 2 tablespoons of oil now, and we will fry our onion and garlic. Garlic. And now we will add our onion. So this is like a tadka. So fry this very nicely. And then have it with nice Makki ki roti. So maize flour chapati or roti. You can have that along with it. Fry this very nicely till our onions are soft, and our chilies also. Dry chili. So the onions are nicely cooked, and now we will add this mashed Sarson Ka Saag, and just low flame we will cook this for 10 minutes. Check the salt. No need of adding water to this, just check the salt and add it accordingly. Cover and little bit of salt we will add. That's it. So hope you all will enjoy and make this. So now I will cover this and let onion and garlic get nicely cooked together with the aroma, and then we can serve it with Makki ki roti. Here it go. So here our Sarson Ka Saag is ready. Hope you all will make this and enjoy in your kitchen. Thank you so much. देव बरें करूं. मानता तुमी सगळीं सासवाच्या पानाची आनी आमची घरगुती पालकाची पानाची भाजी अशी करून खातेलेत. इजी, कांय ना सुबेज. करात आनी खायात. Thank you so much. देव बरें करूं. So here is our Sarson Ka Saag. So just wanted to tell you that when I was frying onion, I have added mustard oil. But if you don't want to fry onion, saute your onion with mustard oil, then you can add ghee or normal vegetable oil, whichever oil you want. But I would like, so you can fry it whole with ghee also. Or with mustard oil, the onions, or with plain oil. So it's up to you. And but what I did, I fried my onion in mustard oil, the tradition authentic way, and I will now add this ghee on this and serve. So whichever way is best for you, you do it. So thank you so much. Hope you all will enjoy this Sarson Ka Saag. Thank you.
And here it is, lovely Sarso Ka Saag, all from our home garden. In English, it's mustard leaves and spinach. Enjoy.